How to fix cannot connect to App Store problem on your iPhone. So if you want to fix cannot connect to App Store problem on your iPhone, then what you need to do is ensure that your connection is proper and stable. Just swipe down from your top of your screen and make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. And you can also switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works out for you. If your cellular data is working, you can use your cellular data. But if none of these work, then toggle on the airplane mode for 20 seconds and then again turn it off. Check your issue again. The second solution is to clear the cache data for the App Store. So open up your settings, scroll down, and then you will have an option of apps. You need to tap on apps, and then you need to go and select App Store. Once you tap on App Store, you'll get this kind of interface, right? You need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of personalized recommendations. Tap on it, and here you will have clear app usage data. Tap on that and then clear the usage data. Now check your issue. Solution 3 is to check date and time settings. So open up your phone settings again and then scroll down, tap on general. After that, tap on date and time and make sure that it is set to automatically. Make sure that the automatic option is toggled on. You can also toggle it off and then again toggle it back on for the setting to refresh. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.